There are many things that help to reduce weight besides a fad diet and exercising once in a while. Here are a few easy steps to help you lose weight. 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is an excellent drink for weight loss. Lemon juice helps your body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and stop weight gain. Make sure to keep drinking lemon juice even after you lose weight to keep your new weight. 2. Take apple cider vinegar. Because apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, it's good for losing weight. Apple cider vinegar also helps your body take in nutrients from the food you eat. Treats digestive and fights infections. 3. Replace your regular coffee with green tea. Another good idea for weight loss is to drink green tea. It has a big range of antioxidants that help the body break down foods and help in losing weight. The catechins in green tea are very good for burning fat because they free fat from fat cells. They also fight free radicals and stop diseases. Switch your regular cup of tea or coffee with a cup of organic green tea. 4. Exercise. If you really want to lose weight in a healthy way, there's no way to escape from regular exercise. Doing physical activity will help you lose weight and control your weight. Also, exercise helps lessen stress and raise your energy, mood, and sleep quality. It lowers the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and some cancers. It's best to set a certain time slot in your day for your exercise routine, so that you do not skip it because of the excuse that you don't have enough time. 5. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy and low-calorie diet is a very important part of weight loss plan. Make sure to include fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet instead of filling up on junk foods. Stay away from fried and fatty foods. Also, don't take in too much sugar and salt. Look for healthier forms of your favorite foods. Don't eat things made with white flour like white bread. Cookies, muffins, pizzas, hot dogs, burgers, pasta like that. 6. Drink plenty of water. Drink a lot of water throughout the day to help your body wash out toxins. It is suggested to drink 8 to 10 glasses of fluids a day. Also, eat more fruits and vegetables that are full of water. 7. Get proper sleep. Getting proper sleep and relaxation is also very important for weight loss. A lack of sleep makes you snack more late at night, makes you crave comfort foods, and leaves you too tired for regular physical exercise. Sleep can also stop weight loss efforts from working. Make sure to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. 8. Cut down on alcohol. A standard glass of wine can contain as many calories as a piece of chocolate. Drinking too much alcohol can easily contribute to weight gain.